Hello everyone, this is Manikanta Belde. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how perfectionism is killing your time. Perfection is an illusion that you develop, it doesn't exist at all. But still, most people try to get perfection in their life and end up living a miserable life. It's not possible to get what is unreal, and realizing this helps you save time. Most people try to gain perfection in their lives, jobs, relationships, businesses, and so on. Even many people dwell and suffer, waiting for things to become perfect, and in the process, they lose their valuable time and life. Even many don't start their jobs, businesses, or any other events in life waiting for perfection. There is no limit to perfection. It's an infinitely long path where you keep moving and reach nowhere. Your success won't come from perfection. Perfection is an illusion that makes you live an unreal life, where you build castles in the air that do not stand strong. If you wait for perfection, you will never get started at anything in your life. Instead, your life and time will be gone, and you will be left with regrets at the end. Even many people waited so long trying to make things right and then start something in their life. But in the process, you lost your valuable time and opportunities that never return, which is very sad. Opportunities don't wait for perfection. They'll be gone if you don't grab them fast. In life, there are no right time or wrong time. You have this very little time and you have to use it well. If not, time takes away your life along with it, and you will not have any more time to do things in your life, and you'll die a painful and regretful life. That's the reason why you should stop waiting for perfection and take a risk now and start things without any delay. Time and opportunities are more valuable than your waiting. Building your mindset free from this perfection is very important. It can be done by reprogramming your mind by teaching yourself some simple and powerful concepts. First one is perception change. Everyone looks at one thing in different ways, and therefore what looks right for you may not be right for others, which makes your thing imperfect. Different people judge in different ways, and it's completely based on their perception. That's why sometimes in life you need to ask your question differently. Instead of asking why is it like this, you should ask why shouldn't it be like this. This changes your whole perception mechanism and makes you think in a right way. Your judgment fuels your perfection, and therefore ignore it and just get started. Second one is betterment. You always want things to be better in your life, but don't miscalculate betterment with perception. Betterment is real and you can track it by seeing the changes happening in your life every day. But perfection is unreal and you can't track something unreal. If you realize this simple concept, you'll get away from perfection and come closer to betterment. Instead of making things perfect, make them better every day with your ideas and efforts. It may be your job, business, relationship, or anything. See, you are doing better every day. If you don't see betterment, do something about it and avoid perfection thought in your head. Perfection suffers you and fails you, but betterment brings you joy and success. And third one is do it now. Don't wait for things to become perfect. Waiting doesn't pause your life or time you have been given. They move on and learn from them to move on in your life. Don't stuck in life waiting. Sometimes you won't have any time left. You will miss the opportunities that never return. Therefore, start doing today. It may be your business, job, hobby, or relationship. Don't wait, just do. Doing it now is better than waiting for perfection that never comes. You may be small now, but starting will make a difference. Take your first step and move forward. Everything starts small, and real efforts and learning makes it big. Instead of dwelling in your life telling you are waiting for things to be alright, get up and take action before you lose this valuable time and life. Remember, done is better than perfection. You may do mistakes in the process and it's okay. Learn from those mistakes and grow every day. This is how you use your valuable time and life you have been given. Your progress matters the most than perfection. Instead of dwelling and suffering by becoming lazy in the process of waiting for perfection, it's far better to escape the perfection mindset and start working. Even mistakes are okay. Even failing is okay. The important thing is to learn from your failures and never quit and grow every day. If you like this video, click on this like button, and if you want to share this, you can share it with your loved ones. And also, if you want to know more updates from my channel, just click on subscribe button and see you soon.